WE3318. We are at the dock. Here are our kayaks, all of our gear that will load up onto the kayaks. This is the boat that is going to take us down the Colorado River, and then we will come back out right along here at Lee's Ferry. WE3318, coming to you from the Colorado River, where we are, kayaking in the Grand Canyon. This is what it looks like where we are currently. I am in my kayak. It is absolutely beautiful. There's W in his kayak. Just wanted to get a little bit of a picture. Gorgeous day. Cannot even begin to explain what all we're seeing. It's just absolutely amazing. Weather is gorgeous. I'm in a shady patch right now. Beautiful day, beautiful weather. It has cooperated for us. Just breathtaking. Come back again to you later. Signing off. WE3318. There's the W. Whoa. This is awesome. Holy cow. Absolutely beautiful. Just want to make sure that I'm recording all of this well. This is the most beautiful thing ever. Down here in the Colorado River, note the blue skies up above us. Thank you, God, for this glorious day. There are all kinds of colors in these Rocky Mountains. There's black, there's gray, there's green, red, brown. When the wind's not blowing, it's actually kind of warm. It is just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Never ever seen anything like this. What an amazing experience. It is just breathtaking. Coming around every corner, it's just more and more beautiful. There's like little holes all inside the canyon. Lots of ducks. A few jumping fish. Other than that, no life forms at this time. Alright. Be back with more. Signing off for now. That's it from WE3318. WE3318 coming to you from our campsite off the Colorado River. You can see the beach where our chairs are. There's the kayaks. Beautiful day. This is where the campfire will be. This is where the tent was. We have moved it up here where it's more protected because there was a sandstorm a few moments ago. some high-powered winds, but up there it is protected and out of the elements. A few sprinkles, but the wind has blown all that away. It is absolutely gorgeous. Charging our lantern. There's W on his path up to the tent. Absolutely gorgeous. We're going to explore some of these mountains and rocks. Oh my goodness, can't believe we're down here camping. It is just amazing. Own private beach. Can't remember what this campsite was called. This is mile 11 or 10 on our journey. And it's where we are camping for the night. Lots of ducks that we've seen. And I'm going to go ahead and sign off for now. And we'll come back later. WE3318 signing off. WE3318 coming to you campfire side. We have put on the fleece. The wind's whipping. It's a little chilly. Got an extra layer of socks on, you can see. It is beautiful. We explored up around over there in the beautiful Rocky Mountain. There's lots of cacti. Explored around in some of the area. Quite amazing. Once again, video does not do it justice. The sun is on the other side of that huge cliff I'm trying to get all of in the video. Can't quite get it all in. Right over there on the other side of that sandy beach is the Colorado River we kayaked up on. We're going to do more kayaking tomorrow. There are bundles of wood we got from the gas station. I don't know if it was a Kanoko or what. They seem to have a lot of Kanokos around here. Beef stew is on the menu this evening. We will cook on our handy dandy little camp stove that fits into a pocket size container. It's pretty cool. I might vlog that out later on so that you can view that.
Is it vlog or blog?
Vlog. I think it's a vlog because it's a video blog. So
Oh.
it's a vlog.
What does blog mean?
Blog is something that you type.
But if it vlog is video,
It's a
V
video.
for video, what's
Yeah.
B stand for?
I'm not sure.
Oh, okay.
Anywho, we are warm and toasty. The hats are on. The thermals are on. The wind is whipping, but it is all good. Skies are beautiful, and we're excited. We are camping on the Colorado River, everybody. That's it for us from now. WE3318. WE3318. I don't know why I put an extra W in there. Coming to ya. There is the delicious dinner cooking on the camp stove. You can see that tiny little stove and our little propane that we got to fit in there. Some Dinty Moore beef stew. W is cooking up. Ooh wee, it's gonna be good. Good stuff. Getting nice and hot. We bought a little multi-purpose tool. I'll show you right over here. Little can opener. I had to use the shirt to hold on to it because that thing is a little tricky. It's sharp. As you can see, it's a multi-purpose tool. Has all kinds of little uses. One of which is a can opener, which luckily we realized today that we would need to open the beef stew. if we had not, we would be out of luck, Chuck, right now, and hungry. So it is sharp, and had to wear some protective shirt gear to use it as an opener. But we are resourceful. Anyhow, it's heating up rather quickly. One can at a time. One for W, one for E. It's going to be delicious. We are going to take that down by the campfire in the chairs where we will eat it, right by the Colorado River. This is so cool. We are the only humans out here, other than the ducks and the 2 black crows that continue to fly around us. We are the only ones out here. And the sun is definitely going down. The temperature is dropping. It is what time?
6:10
6:10.
p.m.
9 p.m. back home, St. Augustine time. It's absolutely gorgeous. Still fairly clear skies. When they say that there's rain in the forecast, in Arizona, that means that it dusts a sprinkle. High winds, like a sandstorm, with a dusting of sprinkle shower, and then it passes, which is different from those of us from Florida. When we hear rain in the forecast, that means torrential downpours and possible flooding. So we're really grateful. God has blessed us with beautiful weather and just the most amazing scenery I have ever seen in my whole life. This has been a glorious day. It's just so awesome. There were some ducks we took some pictures of earlier that were swimming by. Beautiful mallards right along here on the Colorado River, just swimming by as we were kayaking earlier. We were going through a patch, and I guess maybe we spooked them, or W did, and probably about 20 or 30 of them flew way up over his head, and you could hear them making noise and flying overhead. Oh, right over there is the sign for our campsite. Let me see if I can't zoom in some on that so that you can see. Trying to zoom in. It is Ferry Swale Campsite. Ferry Swale off the Colorado River. So anyways, it's just absolutely amazing. There's those kayaks. We will come back later, getting ready for some beef stew. WE 3318 coming to you. It is nighttime out here at the Grand Canyon. I don't know if it is picking up all of the stars that I'm trying to, that are overhead. There are millions of stars up here. I don't know if all you can see is a black screen, or if you can see the millions of white little speckles in the sky that we see. But right there is Orion's Belt, over canyon walls, and over here you can see the faint bits of the Milky Way and just thousands of stars everywhere, scattered all over the night. Over here is the Dipper, right there. There are literally thousands of stars all around us. It's absolutely amazing, this night sky. We have been so blessed with clear skies tonight for just amazing views. It is beautiful out here by the campfire. The wind has died off, and we're good and warm and toasty with a fire, and it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful, quiet. We enjoyed our beef stew. Nice little warm campfire. There's W. You can sort of see him, maybe. You can see our little campfire lights leading up to the tent, maybe, sort of. But as you can see, it's really dark, and that makes for amazing stargazing. I hope this is picking some of it up. All right, WE3318, signing off. WE3318, good morning, everyone. It is a beautiful morning out here off the Colorado River in the Grand Canyon. It is about 6:50. We have had coffee thanks to W. Camp is all packed up, ready to go. No wind. There was a little bit of rain last night, but we were nice and dry in the tent. Camp signs over there for Ferry Swale campsite. We will be leaving this location and heading further down the Colorado River. Later today, we will head on to Monument Valley, and it is just absolutely beautiful. There were 2 black crows that enjoyed us quite a bit. Stayed close to our campground, checking us out, watching us, and lots of ducks. Other than that, no other life forms. But looks like it should be some nice kayaking, easy goes, without the wind fighting against us as it was yesterday. So some smooth sailing ahead. And you can see the campfire extinguishing. Up there was where our camp was. Quite the experience out here camping on the Colorado. Any words, W?
It's a nice calm morning, glassy. Camp was good last night. Rained for about 3 hours, but stayed dry, so that's good. Not cold. And it's pretty serene out here this morning.
It's beautiful. What an amazing adventure. All right, so we will come back to you later with more. Signing off as we embark on this next portion of the Colorado River. WE3318. WE3318, we've stopped off where you can see some petroglyphs from about 1 to 1300 AD. It's rock art from various Native American Indians right here on the side of the walls of the Grand Canyon. Absolutely awesome. Pretty cool. That's some old stuff. If you can see way down there by the grass, the little deer. All the little pictures that they drew. Really